today I will give you some important information. If you are really interested to boost your career, boost your profile, resume, everything, the certifications are the one of the best way to boost your resumes. So if you make, for example, in the case of Azure Data Engineering, if you have completed DP 900, DP 203, what will be the next? Okay, there are two different ways are there. Maybe you can use the Cosmos DB specialization. Otherwise, you can move into the Databricks. I'm suggesting move into the Databricks because Databricks is the booming technology currently. So if you take, there is a for data engineer, I'm talking about data engineering. There are three certifications is important. First one is Databricks Data Lake Fundamental, Data Engineer exam, then Data Engineer Professional exam. So these are the three exam we need to clear. Then your resume will be like a highlighted when the recruiters or anything looking. Okay, so that is very important. And one more thing I'm just sharing, it is an important learning because when you learn the Databricks also, you are become more expertise on that particular technology. Recently I completed the Databricks Data Fundamental exam. So what I did, like when I go through the Databricks site, what all the things are available, I want to share with the community. So then I'm so like it was available as free currently. Then I go through those videos that was available there. Then there is a 2 hours. If you spend 2 hours to learn whatever the things they are shared, like YouTube videos or something they shared in the Databricks platform itself. Once we completed, there is a one more tab is like learn the badges also. Okay, so once you complete the 2 hours of learning videos, you can go and check out the badges. Okay, badges quiz. There is a 25 question. I think 30 minutes time we will get to complete the complete to answer the certificate and all. Then we can submit it. Once we submit it, we can, if our passing score will be above the 200, you will pass and you will get a badge. Actually, when I checked in last year or something, not last year, recently I checked, it was like $100 or something displaying there, but I don't know why that time it was an all back. Then currently it is available as free. Once you complete the certification, there are two benefits. First, if you complete the certificate, your mail is linked to the Databricks community. If there is any virtual training, anything will going on, they will send a mail. Okay, otherwise there is an option also, if you can register in the virtual training Databricks. Then what will happen, there is a mandatory session. If you complete the Databricks fundamental, if you attend any kind of data engineer, because data engineer or data professional engineer courses available, you attend, if you upload these fundamental document also, you will get 75% off for the certification. Okay, these are very beneficial, so that is the reason I'm sharing this important note. So that means if you are, so first thing, they are this is mandatory, like Azure fundamental Databricks is mandatory for getting this voucher. So once you get this certificate, you can upload in the Databricks portal. It will be available 70%, maybe 25% you can reimburse from your company also. So that will be a good idea. So that means $200 of exam we can return with the 75%, less than 75% cost, remaining we can reimburse. So that will be a greater opportunity. So that is the reason I'm suggesting, if you didn't complete these certificate, go, and I will also mention these link in the below this video. You can go and check it out. Then I don't know how many duration they will be available as free. So this is the right time, take it. Thank you.